My name is Megan and welcome again to our What's Happening Now section. In this section, unfortunately, I want to talk about Matthew Perry. As you know, he passed away just this last October at the age of 54, and following his unfortunate death, one of the things that I started thinking about, not that I'm morbid, who is set to inherit his $120 million estate? Does Matthew Perry have a will? Does he have a trust? Does he have anything set up? For many of us, when we are young, estate planning doesn't come up. However, I can distinctly remember when my estate plan became real to me. I was sitting in the airport, pregnant. I was about to go on the airplane. I had a baby at home. She was 2 at the time with her dad. And I started thinking, oh my gosh, if something should happen to me and I don't get to go back home, what will happen to my daughter? Will my assets be there for her? Will they be there to protect her? Will they be there to take care of her? What would happen to my grandma? You know, those are the things that cross my mind. I mean, Matthew Perry, he didn't have a child that we know of. And you know that his dad, John, and his mom, Susan, they've been in his corner from the get-go. Yes, they divorced a little after he was born, but they were active in his life. Are they going to inherit the $120 million? Will his siblings, he has 5 siblings, will they inherit his money? If Matthew, unfortunately, did not have a will, then, as you know, his assets will be split into half to his mom, half to his dad. If his dad passed away, then that money will go half to his siblings, whether he wants to or not. Whether he wants that his father share the estate to go to the children that he had with his new wife. Too bad, Matthew Perry, you didn't have a will. Same thing with his mom, Susan. If she passes away before the assets get distributed, or even after the assets get distributed, when she passes away, that half is going to go to the children that she had with her new husband. Is that the plan Matthew Perry would have drawn up? Would he have favored his dad in his estate plan? Would he favor his intimate charities? Would he want something to go to sobriety? Would he want something to go to addictive treatment services? I have no idea. That's why estate planning is important. And that's why having a will is important. And we haven't heard anything about Matthew Perry having one. Maybe that will come down the pipeline, but from the reports that I'm seeing, from the stories that I'm seeing, I don't think he had one. And if he didn't have one, is the estate plan that he's going to inherit that the state will dictate? Because when you don't have your own will, the state's will be done. The state has a will for you. Therefore, if that's not what you want, then you better get ready. Go see yourself a proper estate planning attorney and get that will, get that trust, get that estate plan set in place. Because whether or not Matthew Perry wanted his parents, John and Susan, to divide his assets equally, that's exactly what he just got. My name is Megan, lead estate planning attorney here at the Law Office of Bryan, Fagan, where we treat you like family, and oftentimes even better. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.